Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. But today, we will be making sweet potato nachos. So, it's late. I'm tired, but I was like, I'm cooking anyway, so why not record it for the camera guys for today. So, I have the oven going on 425 now. I have black beans on the oven. I prefer dried black beans or dried beans period, and then soaking them overnight. Forgot to last night, so I had to run out and get some candy. So I rinsed, drained them, had them on low on the stove, just added a little vegetable broth and pepper to them. And I have my potatoes here already skinned. This is a very good go-to when I'm feeling, I don't know, just a little Mexican, but I'm gonna try to keep it semi-okay. I live with psoriasis, and it kind of required a lifestyle change if I didn't want to just be injecting myself every 2 weeks, which I hate it. Are you done, man? I'm trying to record. Okay. So, it's been about 2 years, 3 years I was diagnosed, and I just did not like the injections, and so diet was a big thing. And so, instead of meat on this, it's like loaded fries, but with sweet potato fries. And being out here in San Diego and in California, there's a lot of restaurants just centered around the loaded fries. And I thought this was a cool little idea. It's tasty, it's yummy. I saw something on, I'm tripping, why did I just put that like that? I saw them on Pinterest before, and then I also saw it in a cookbook. And so I was like, let me try it. Let me finally just dig in and give it a try. So here we have the sweet potatoes. I'm just cutting them up in little fry shapes. I have the cauliflower here, which I'll also cut up. But I'm going to add a little today on top. So I love the feta. So these are going to actually, this is from the black beans. They're over here simmering. So this is some taco seasoning. Just sprinkle a little and then toss. I kind of feel both. Toss it all up. Everything is clear. I promise. Write everything down. And then you just toss it a little with your hands. That like taco seasoning, you can put your own seasoning on it if you know. I just go for taco seasoning, but that little taco seasoning really gives it just that taco taste to me. And so I'm not fans. Took them off of below. So we have that with the taco seasoning, and it usually calls for avocado. No, what oil does it use? It calls for olive oil. but I want to use grapeseed oil because once you heat olive oil up, it's really not that good for you. So I just use a little like grapeseed oil. So mostly went in this direction. But let me see if I can just toss it up. Mix it around. Get it around. Just wash your hands in the baby. Should have waited. Okay. So it's definitely more potatoes than cauliflower, but we'll have a little taste of cauliflower in there as well. And so the oven's already on 425, and I'm gonna put it in there for about 15 minutes and then toss it, and I'll be back. We're back. Our sweet potatoes and cauliflower have cooked for 15 minutes on one side. I turned them and cooked them for another 15 minutes. So between 30 and 40 minutes, you just want them crunchy, crisp, and not hard in the middle. So, wash my hands, I'm all clean, guys, promise. I'm adding the sweet potatoes and cauliflower into this circle bowl here. For the nachos, I have wax paper at the bottom so it doesn't stick. You do not have to do this with cheese, or you can do it with vegan cheese. You can make any alternatives you like. Do any substitution. I want it to be flat too, so it can cook evenly. I had to spread out the sweet potatoes on a sheet pan to make sure everything cooked right. So we have some crunchy pieces, but everything is definitely done through all the way. Have my black beans here. I'm gonna add some of these. Actually, yeah, I'll add some feta cheese first. You can add any cheese you want. The recipe actually calls for a Mexican one or sharp cheddar. I didn't have either, and feta is literally my favorite. So, I'm not mad. If you want to do a vegan cheese or any type of alternative, or no cheese, if you want to do meat, whatever you want. A nacho cheese. I'm just sprinkling it all over. I love like a Mediterranean anything. So to add different spices and flavors and mix them up and experience, cooking is experimenting to me. Whatever you like, whatever you taste good, go for it. Add it. But I tell you, you can remix this with anything, any ingredients. So here I have my black beans on top of the cheese, on top of the sweet potatoes and cauliflower. I'm just spreading it evenly around. This is 1 can of black beans also, which will probably be about 2 cups if you're doing dry beans. And I have a slaw here that I usually make for my fish tacos or my shrimp tacos. It's a little recipe I first found it on Pinterest, but now I have like remixed it and make it my own. I was working at a little Mexican restaurant. I got my guac here, so I have my guac in my slaw because I like a little crunch. There's no meat, and so I like it to just be crispy. And so making sure that the sweet potatoes are crispy, adding the slaw, it gives me that extra crunch. And also for my toppings, I have some jalapeños here, some green onions, and cilantro. So we're going to put this back in the oven at 425 for a good 10 minutes. Let that cheese melt, like everything mold together. Then we're going to be back to add our toppings. And your toppings can be whatever you want them to be. But these are my toppings for today. We're doing this family cookbook, and so I'm really looking forward to adding this to our cookbook. I've taken a few pictures of recipes I've done before and printed them out, and we're just signing this cookbook. So if it is approved, it will be added to our family cookbook. And we'll keep that up going with you guys, updated, and showing you guys what we're coming up with, new ideas, new experiments, what the kids are coming up with, because they have their own ideas as well. What else? Any new, our family favorites, I'll continue to do those, but also just some new recipes I'm finding, new things I want to try out. And so just let me know guys what you want to see in the future, what content you're interested in, and I will definitely be sure to experiment. I just want new ideas, guys, so let me know. Going in the oven for about 10 minutes. We now have our sweet potatoes and cauliflower that were roasted in the oven at 425.
Are you recording now?
Added, yes.
I'm new to this.
Okay.
My bad.
It's fine. I added the cheese and the black beans back into the oven at 425 for 10 minutes. And now we can add our toppings. You can really add anything you want. Salsa, yogurt, Greek yogurt, what else? Corn. So today I just got some jalapeno. Oh, shit.
I don't like
me.
hot food. Don't admit what?
Thank you. Let me I embarrassed myself.
You embarrassed yourself.
Okay. So I won't put that many jalapenos on because we don't like jalapenos, but I'll push these to my side, I guess. It doesn't mind. Okay, I want a lot of crunch because I just need that enough. So we're gonna add that amount of slaw. Am I washing this up?
Oh, no problem. No. I'll be right on that.
I can add some green onion. Some seasoning. I don't like to use salt so much. Then we have some cilantro. Then we have our guac. Whoa. We have our guacamole.
You nervous?
No.
You've been here before.
Guacamole. And so we have added jalapenos, coleslaw, what else? Guacamole, and green onion. You can add sour cream or whatever you would like. These are our toppings we chose today. You want to dig in?
Yeah, I want to dig in.
Should we take a picture first? I feel like we should. See? Picture. So here we have all our toppings on. I'm going to try. Again, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
I want a jalapeno. I like spicy.
Yeah.
That was my fry sauce.
No, this slap.
And then do that crunch.
What's crunching?
The coleslaw.
Okay.
You want to share this? What's going on? With your superfood and your avocado. Sweet potato, black bean. And that sweet potato. Like, comment, subscribe. That's it. Family Cookbook.